Embark on a riveting journey through the clandestine world of the notorious Camorra, the Neapolitan mafia shrouded in centuries-old secrets. Walk through some of the most authentic street markets of Naples. Assume the role of an undercover agent infiltrating the formidable Pendino clan with the perilous objective of capturing their ruthless boss, Leone. Learn about the devastating effects the Camorra clans have on the city, including the ominous Triangle of Death. Discover the world of teenage clans who fight bloody wars to control their neighborhoods. Summon your courage and sharpen your wits, for the people are counting on you. Uncover the enigma and let justice prevail.